Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how to make this super cute and super easy ghost cupcake topper. Okay, so to begin with, I've got about 25 grams of white modelling paste, which I've kneaded till pliable, and now I'm just forming it into a ball shape here. And now all I'm going to do is just roll it into a cone shape. As usual, I'll leave a link to all the items used in this tutorial in the description. And if you want to, you can use your cake smoother to help form it into a cone shape nice and smoothly. So I'm just going to taper the end slightly. And now I'm going to use my cake smoother to just flatten my modelling paste to about 1 centimetre thick. You want it thick so you can smooth the edges off here like I'm doing, and then just pinch the bottom to a little point and just flick it to one side. So I'm just rounding off the edges. Now I'm going to use my fingers just to flatten where I want the arms to be. And once I've flattened it, I can then use my fingers to make it go to a point. So now I'm going to do the other side. And then you can just smooth off where you've flattened at the side, just so it seems to flow a little better. Okay, so now I'm going to use a smaller end of my bone tool to create 2 eye sockets. And now I've got a small tic-tac shaped piece of white modelling paste, and I'm just going to stick that into position. I've used clear alcohol to stick it, but you could also use an edible glue. And now I'm going to use my Dresden tool just to create a little smile there to the side. And now I've got 2 small balls of black modelling paste for the eyes and a little bit for the mouth. So I'm just going to stick them in there. Pop them all in. I'm going to secure the eyes with my bone tool. And then use my Dresden tool for the mouth. So now I'm going to make the bow for some red modelling paste. I've got 2 balls of red modelling paste which I'm flattening into little triangle shapes, and I'm going to use the other end of my Dresden tool now just to create a little indent there. And then once you pick them up, you can squeeze the pointed end and then flatten the other, and you get a little bow shape. So I'm just going to stick those into position. So if you start with the balls first, you know you're going to get the same size bow for each side. And now I'm just going to stick the little ball in the middle. Okay. So now I'm just adding 2 tiny balls of white modelling paste to about 1 o'clock in the eyes, just to get some highlights, secure with my bone tool. Okay, so once my ghost is dry, I'm just going to add a little pink blush to the cheeks. Just going to use a dusting brush, and what I do is I put the dust onto a kitchen towel first, and then I just use it to pick up the dust with the brush. That way you can just build it up to how you want it to be. Okay, so that's your ghost cupcake topper made. I really hope that you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to check out my other ones. Please comment, like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.